Yes, you read that right. I got a new bike. It's the 1390, but I only have it for an hour. Let's go for a ride. Whoa! I nearly did a stoppie there. What? There's a GTR casually parked? What's going on? I bet you guys can hear me extremely well because this bike is so quiet. It actually feels weird talking because I can hear myself so clearly. So this is the Super Duke 1390R. I dropped my 1290R for a service, and they were kind enough to give me this for the hour, but I'm gonna give it back to them before the hour. First impressions of this bike is that it's a lot more sportier riding position than my Duke. I'm not quite sure how I feel about the bike, to be completely honest with you. Come on, I got an hour to enjoy this bike. Let me enjoy it. I'll tell you one thing I do like is the way the tank sits and the way it grips and the way I'm able to sit on it is actually not too bad. My feet are a little bit higher from on the floor than and they're a little bit more of like a super sport position than my Super Duke. So as soon as I got on the bike and I went to put my feet down to get it into first gear, I couldn't find it. And then the same thing with the brake. The brake is just like instantly there as well. It's just, I mean, it's nice. It's a new bike, it's nice. Of course it's gonna be nice. So can I please enjoy this bike? Maybe I should have went up there, maybe on the way back. Maybe when I get my Duke I'll go for a little ride around here. Do you think we can try launch control with this? They told me don't put it in race mode. They must have seen my channel and knew exactly what I was gonna do. So they told me don't put it anything above sport mode. So I will respect that. Especially on lanes like this, which I've never been to before and have no idea about. Okay, I refuse to speed here because I would love to, but I've never been on this road before, even though damn it looks good. Okay, that's enough. You can actually see my hesitation because I don't want to go in the middle where all the rubble is, because you lose traction and everything else that comes with it. So I'm obviously not a commentator on, like, I'm not Jeremy Clarkson, okay? Let me just start that. I am nothing like him, so I have no idea what to say. So I was just about to tell you that I can hear the wind like I've never heard it before. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing, but I can just not hear anything. Okay, where do I need to go? This way. Just follow the sat nav. The gear changes are so smooth though. Like, look at it. Ah! What is this? brother. I need to give this bike back. Let me go. Thank you. Thank you.